This presentation is about exploratory data analysis. This is the summary of my presentation. I will start with content identification, variables, types, and domains. I will also speak a little bit about missing values, variable distribution, granularity, and multivariate analysis. Exploratory data analysis is an approach to analyze data sets to summarize their main characteristics. Analyzing data starts with characterization of the dataset, namely number of variables, the number of records, and so on. We may identify, for example, the data types and domains, missing values, variables distributions, and also granularity. We may start by identifying variables by type and domain. We may use plotting in order to analyze missing values. We may also use several metrics to understand the distribution, and it is also possible to graph this distribution. We may also create histograms for each variable. Here we have lots of detail. Then we may analyze each one of the histograms specifically. In the context of multivariate analysis, we may study dispersity and correlation between the variables. Here, in this example, on the left, we have a very dense data set, while on the right we have a very sparse data set or sparse sample. Example, I show how to correlate two variables and also show a corresponding heat map. It is the result. In this presentation, I analyzed content identification, variables type and domain, missing values, variables distribution, granularity, and some aspects related to multivariate analysis.